Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to my channel Prashadu Putnuru. Today in this video, I am going to narrate a beautiful story. Three fish, a tale of three fish. Tale means story of three fish. Once there were three fish in the pond. Okay, they were think ahead and think fast and wait and see. Think ahead is wise fish. Always it thinks ahead. It can predict the problem that come in the future and immediately it takes action in order to avoid that problem. Whereas think fast doesn't think about the solution in advance. It always thinks for the solution when the problem comes. Whereas wait and see doesn't even think, even the problem comes, it doesn't even think about the solution. That's why always it gets into trouble. One day, think ahead happened to overhear the conversation of the two fishermen. They were talking about casting a net the next day. So immediately it saw the problem. Okay, tomorrow they are going to come and they are going to cast the net and we are going to be caught. So this is not the right place for us. Think ahead goes to its friends. Okay, think fast and wait and see and explain the problem. Tomorrow they are going to come and they're going to catch the net, so it's not the good place for us. We need to shift to another pond. But his friends don't listen at all. Okay, let us see, tomorrow they are going to come, right? Let us see, like that both of them stayed back. Think ahead went that night itself, went to another pond. The next day, according to their plan, the fishermen came and they cast the net. So they caught many fish, among them think fast and wait and see also. So they got into trouble. Okay, so think fast immediately got an idea. Okay, it pretended to be dead. The fisherman took it and threw it back into the water. So in that way it saved its life. Whereas wait and see could not even think. It is a dangerous situation, but still did not think anything. So finally it was ended up in the market. So dear friends, we need to think ahead all the time. We should not wait until the problem comes to us. We need to predict the problem. That's why we need to take immediate action. If we are able to take immediate action, we can avoid that problem. So better planning is very, very important. If you don't plan for your future, you will get into trouble. So you must plan. You must work hard. And you should not be afraid of the problem. You need to think of the solution. Definitely you will get it. Because there is no problem without any solution. Every problem has a solution. But you need to think about it. So that is the reason in dangerous situation, when you are in dangerous situation, you either think fast or plan ahead. Okay, if you plan ahead, there will be no problem at all. Easily you can escape from the problem. At least if you can think fast about the solution, at least you will be in a safe position. So from this fable we can learn the lesson to plan ahead. We need to plan ahead, or we need to think fast, or else we will get into problem. This fable teaches us a moral. So my dear friends, I hope always you plan ahead. You are ready for the future. Whatever the problem comes, we are ready. We can face the problem. We can face any kind of challenge. Okay, we should be brave enough to face the challenges. We should not run away from the problems. We need to think about the solution. Every problem has the solution. That is the reason we need to think about the solution. If you don't get the solution, should not give up. Solution will be there. You need to take the suggestion from friends. When they are saying something good, you need to listen to them. Here in this story, when plan ahead said to them, let's move to another place, but they didn't listen. If they had listened, they wouldn't have got into the trouble. So that's why when our elders or when good friends tell us something, we need to listen to them, we need to take immediate action, then we won't get into trouble. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends too, friends and family members too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are the new. Thank you all of you for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.